Welcome people, welcome back to Just Vibes Radio channel. If you're a new viewer, make sure you subscribe now. Click that bell icon to turn on your post notification. Everybody alright, nobody know. Okay, you see some people breaking news. Former reggae boy, Irvino, also called Dada, English, was on Wednesday night shot and killed in his community of Waterhouse in St. Angela people. You see, so English, who had the time of his untimely demise, was the assistant coach of the Woolmans Boys School Manning Cup team, was attacked and shot multiple times. He was taken to hospital where he died while undergoing treatment. The police have had confirmed the incident, and according to source, English had been previously warned to stay out of the community as he was being targeted for death. English, a former captain of Waterhouse Football Club, earned 5 caps for Reggae Boys in the early 2000s. He attended the Woolmans Boys School where he represented the school football team before enrolling at Norman Manley High School, where he played an instrumental role in that school winning Manning Cup running in the 1996 people. His son Rivaldo also represented Woolmans at the Manning Cup level. His killing has caused a shadow of gloom over the country's football fraternity and Woolmans Boy also at Norman Manley High School, my people. You see, so big things are going on in Waterhouse right now, so he was told that he shouldn't actually be in the community, and for some reason he was there, and while he was walking last night, a car drove up on him and a man opened shot on him and killed him. You see, so my people, sad news, the football fraternity is currently mourning his death, as he was a brilliant coach as well as a football player, and he represented Jamaica at the senior level with a maximum of 5 caps, which is good. It's my people. So John Mustard, sad news, and we've seen where the president for the football organization came out and did a speech about it. He talked about it, saying that Dada was also a good player and also a good coach. He had actually inspired a lot of persons, motivated a lot of persons within the Waterford community. So they're not sure why someone would want him dead. You see me? But my people, sad news. You see it again. The football fraternity is currently mourning one of their kind. You see, my people. But if you're a new viewer, make sure you subscribe now. Click that bell icon to turn on your post notification. You know the steps already. You see it, and comment also what are your take on the story. You see, do you know that were you watching football or Manicom at that time when he was playing for Woolmans or even Norman Manley or even at the senior level? Comment in the comment section below. Until next time, just